Why do your money habits always revert and money doesn't stick? Notice what happens after a financial win, a raise, a good month, a successful deal. For a moment, you feel ahead. Then watch what returns. Your stress returns. Your spending returns. Your decisions return. Your standards return, exactly where they were. That return is the problem, because you will not be outworked, you will be out-identified. If identity stays the same, outcomes don't stick, they pass through you. In the last video, we looked at luxury as behavior. Today, we go underneath behavior, into the system that either enforces standards or quietly dissolves them. Watch what you do when no one is watching. The choice you make when there's no applause. The standard you keep when there's no pressure. The boundary you enforce when it would be easier to soften it. That is identity. Not what you intend, not what you believe, what you maintain in silence. We see this when someone commits to saving, then breaks it alone late at night and calls it just this once. No one saw it, but identity did. If your behavior needs motivation to survive, identity hasn't been installed. It's still just preference. Notice how quickly people spend a win emotionally. Not just money, relief. They relax standards. They loosen boundaries. They reward the old self. Income changes, the inner rules don't. This is why someone earns more, but still spends to regulate mood the same way. Same emotional logic, different numbers. Wealth identity doesn't ask, can I afford this? It asks, does this match the person I'm becoming? That question isn't inspirational, it's structural. Pay attention to where your standards collapse, not in public, not in big moments, in small concessions, explaining a decision you already made, adjusting a boundary to avoid tension, staying in environments that drain you because leaving feels too much. It sounds like this: lowering your standard in a room that never deserved it and calling it being flexible. Identity erosion doesn't announce itself, it repeats quietly. Here is what changes everything. After every decision, a second decision appears. Not on paper, inside. The urge to soften it, the urge to explain it, the urge to retreat from it. Wealth identity isn't built by making better first decisions. It's built by refusing the second one. If a decision is negotiable the moment emotion rises, it wasn't identity, it was preference. That's why consistency looks effortless from the outside. It isn't effortless, it's protected. Now notice what actually reinforces identity. Not new habits, not more information, fewer negotiations. Every time you let a decision sit without commentary, refuse to over-explain, hold a standard through discomfort, don't trade confidence for comfort, you install identity, quietly, repeatedly, structurally. Identity isn't declared, it's enforced. So if you want wealth to compound, don't start with money. Start with the part of you that can't hold a higher standard. Which version of you? The anxious one, the people-pleasing one, the impatient one, is currently vetoing your standards. Because once identity stabilizes, behavior stops fluctuating. And when behavior stabilizes, results don't need motivation. They compound.